All right, so last week we talked about the recursive Bayes filter that we said it is one of the basic algorithms that we want to learn and mount other algorithms on the Bayes filter. We said that it is based on the Markov chain and Markov chain probability that we want to get the real state from hidden state. We don't know this state, we don't see this state, but the output we see it. From the output we want to detect itself, and we later said we have observation set, the control command sets, and the environment M plus the X's that are showing the poses of the robot that we want to estimate. So our probability distribution, we always will show like this: probability of states given by observation and control commands. So we said also, yeah, we have the unknown probability density function, or named PDF, that we want to find it during the course. We have plus set of vectors and command vectors that later we went through two important steps. The continuous variables, we first saw how we can calculate it in total probability. Then we talked about the belief that robot believes where it is, the all calculations believes where it is. That shows like states, all of the states during the time, the observation plus the control commands. So finally, we talked about the Bayes filter general equation that we discussed. This is the probability of observation over states that comes from the integral of the all possible beliefs and the probabilities of the control command over observation. So we broke it down to motion model and observation model. In motion model, robots run one motion, and we want to predict that motion, so estimate that motion. That at the beginning the step we saw how we can do that. That is the belief of the belief shows integral or sum of the products of the two distribution. The first probability that control commands gives, and second one is transition from xt minus 1 to xt that we wanted to calculate. After prediction step, we have the correction step that you saw how we can apply observation model on it. That in there we had the terms of the normalization, we had the probability of observation over states and belief. Then we saw the Bayes filter algorithm quickly. Then we set the important concepts. Also, we later discussed that we have some algorithms that we will start to see: Kalman filter, extended Kalman filter, particle filter, grid-based estimation. And after that, we have over hundreds of different algorithms. Then finally, we also have for example, Orbislam 1, 2, 3, one of the state-of-the-art algorithms that work greatly in Islam problems. As long as we have time, as I mentioned, we will go through them too. But what's the reason that we don't directly go there? Because the important reason is that if you don't know the basics, if you don't know where the equation calculations come from, it's very difficult to understand that part. Because of that, we should, in the course, come from scratch to see what's happening. Then also we talked about the general specification of each one of those algorithms. Then we said that, okay, we have inaccurate motion control commands, that you have a robot, you send go 1 meter, instead of 1 meter, it goes 1.5 meters. That was the reason that we needed to, actually, that is the reason that we need to have the estimation. Otherwise, if you want to run 1 meter, go forward and turn left or right for a specific amount, then the problem already solved. We don't need to do too much for specifically localization. But of course, for mapping and the landmark detection, we needed to do some stuff. Also, we talked about the accumulated error, that in odometry, you have accumulated error that during time it increases. Because of that, we have correction step that we mount the some sensors on the robot, that these sensors helps the robot to do correction step. The odometry-based approach that today we will talk about, and velocity-based that today is the main course that we will have. Then we also will talk about the translation and rotation of the odometry. We will see today in deep. Also, we discussed that there are three elements that are important: alpha 1, delta transition, and alpha 2. Those are triangles that are important for us to consider as error. We talked about the distribution of the different kinds of error later. We a little bit discussed about the observation model, environment assumptions for one example finally that we saw, and we saw how we can calculate a robot can detect the door is closed, is open, or does the push command, what is happening. We discussed, for example, we come from initial belief that we don't know the door is open, robot doesn't know the robot door is open or closed, that we said, okay, it is 50-50. Then we set some assumptions. For example, our sensor error, we have a camera, you implement one algorithm, then you say, okay, the robot detects the door is open or closed, our robot. Your developed algorithm says that. But of course, it has error. So you try, for example, you try 100 times your algorithm. You say, okay, 60% it is successful, 40% it is not. You give as assumption that to the model. And what about the close? If it's closed, can I detect it? My algorithm can detect it. This time, for example, 80% versus 20%. These data come, plus what about push? We try our robot manually, or it can be manually, you try 100 times, robot push the door. If it's open or closed, then you give the probabilities. Then we have the same equation, the beliefs. We calculate at first the belief in correction, in estimation step, estimated belief if it's open, we calculate it together. Then we calculated estimated belief it's closed. Then we said, okay, what about the prediction? What about the correction step? Then we corrected the prediction so that the values came and sat on the updated the belief, so that we said, okay, 75% our robot says the door is open and 25% says it is closed. Then also we said, okay, you can continue this. So initial step, stage 1, then we can continue to stage 2. This is stage 2. We did all the calculations, but this time we used X1 or previous belief that we calculated already, 75% and 25% that you can see in this slide.